Wala bono nkura pa osima aduanan ba ko Kesben 93.3 live on Kesben television yenche obia Emra Friday edition of Midfield Action o share live e wo Kesben TV wiase afana nyina munim se efiada de no eye da yisi ho e de emamo busansema hodo bebrebe na de kire mo adwen nyina no de ba ma abiafo so kire mo adwen e de efa ho ne de no emre no aso mo nyina akwa ba eche obia mo bia chi eba Friday edition of Midfield Action. Tony Atrasi the Embeko Amanone na Alhaji Ashai Baba. And so the ne papers no mun sensem kakra brain. Kwa Mickey at the local source kakra be go ni amwa for no sensem kakra na fei ye de mo questions no Google at the amamo. 0507168557 and only SMS line mode mo messages no be faso abreye 0507168557 Muhammad for WhatsApp near 0244263990 0244263902 and only WhatsApp line your Twitter handle near at Kesben Sports M at Kesben Sports M with my share live our twitter.com/Kesben TV so na Facebook name say bit more to de amaya Kesben Sports on Facebook with my real live na fe musa na mo contributions awodo no and then musa to me say me kind of message ni dia busasem na yenya no emfa emamo with my download Kesben FM app no and so Play Store the also with live babia ubia Montana de Tony Atrasi and Europa match the course so Tottenham and Kuyi and Farm Mamo Emunsem Manchester United and some ho ni na Tony Wabano de brain Yura Barcelona say powers so na man for say kodi Messi ho changes ahodo elections ahodo baso ni na Tony Abwabwano Roy Jones any Mike Tyson fight no emunsensem ben and Branty Abwabwano de brain we clubs ahodo no mu e de sempi as well room e de brain weekend matches ho Arsenal and Manchester United din Montana de Tony Seboko
Yami aduma what win announce we
na kopa no bia fine pa bia fine kajagu menemre no kopa Alhaji na ne ho mfa no yina ye ho ye but Alhaji na ne ho mfa no na wo se nuru ewo ne bag no mu wayi bi anom Alhaji
Sejo
aye kakra
so ya alhamdulillah
okay
se ya metimte
ire mi ase ba mi so we go di nro ni bia ba
ni de of course I say ba
ba no bi ha ba no bi ha
manum bi no pe se si akra wa
okay ba o didi ya zara wono
oh me didi
o didi de nya affect o didi no
oh dabi
affect no
dabi
didi o di na quantity na
I know
and say no we are ni so kan say
oh Sejo nyamiem no kredi pero for asem to na hu adofo be 2 days ya me madwuma yi Sejo among for I should consent
yes seven for here wa ba
apparently be wonderful my Kelabi am taboni de okufo
okay
and one policeman no so am retired police
okay
they be your you can do that
okay then I say pa
Kofobia guide Mr. Gatti and Kelabi so more from 2 days wo hu me what's wrong with me no be a frame flashing for so say you sanko for me do mu nyina
okay
and I want them for Dr. Ima
okay
Kofarachi I'm going from Kombolo no
backward
ono and Dr. Late
okay all right okay almost and then na man for so kra bi adwen se bia wo koje nioma mo de no time bia MC Majedi by Bayern na Bayern
so just very
almost class in the different crowd
quality no was
nti omo betima ko krumba bia no to dismantle
be do asem dem simple
nti e bon Bayern se kai have senche the form na nti ne ball ka bebrebe e de ko fa no yensa ebe kasa form no kwa miki ba be transe na odi obisi me de ibn ne so din so a Mansour Yalwa me de ibn no so din so a na omoni ajipa
the son of
Tony Montana ibn Masafa Town no omoni ajipa afina binchi abe transe hey
Yeah.
I don't know I own that. Huh? I know I own who to say I knew. Na high day. Then number. What's the number? Kai. Let me be going here. Lightning. Do
that is maybe
so we the production of export here. So you dear ya no so where the two files.
Yeah.
Now be send ya ba na light ni katia the way ni na.
And I some experience bi. Number ya pa my world baby pa fun. And the internet in now. Of course as well internet in now.
Alright. My view questions be about to say me faster.
But I can't say be when your problem is.
No.
Without you no say me no be.
Oh you be.
Kwame.
25 years bra. 25 years bra.
Me no be. About 4 questions no ba.
Ababegum.
Mr. Binum so the fa WhatsApp.
Aye ababegum my vie me de bana.
Video.
Ana ina ko off.
WhatsApp video they make out. Enye message.
Ebiba. Me say na ebiaba but enye question.
Oh, enye question okay.
Timimfa. What's for question there? And then Friday questions and answers. And you Ronaldo ne Messi one and Bobo. What the basa yemfa
video
no what the banner which bisa question no. Good questioner.
And I test to video.
We will answer you.
Right.
And yeah,
and then Kofi Champo birthday.
Frederick Champo birthday.
Oh, okay.
To akudin cry.
Kofi say uni ha. No ha zenga uni ma dey bit my yo. I wish you happy birthday. But Oba e be say daddy. Okay. Oba say da ben yo chino say Monday o. E be say da na ye debilitated one pa. Enti Kofi Champo achi Esco member.
Yes.
They were so happy birthday. Na one Opaki also eba.
Eba Kezia. Yes. Kezia. No, she celebrating.
I mentioned the Kezia so there.
Obedi Kezia dia
no, and then say mentioned Kezia Damakuma so.
Okay.
Kezia Yosin.
Did papa chidia undi
man. No, did papa Kezia Yosin. And then when 12 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
And then first, eh?
Yeah. Kezia then first, Kezia was second, eh?
Second, eh?
Yeah. On the night, the brofo had a papa.
So brofo na the papa.
Kusku brofo kwa. Oba fi oba so the brofo kwa so ba.
The papa so te
brofo. The papa ni biane free free. Say we dey America.
Aye. Papa ni so te brofo.
Aye. The pardon sa no krono.
Se me costo.
Oba na Kezia da. Kezia happy birthday. 12 years.
Yes.
Wow.
12 years.
I was in the picture, bro.
Na yeah, my phone.
All right.
Because birthday is a special day.
Special.
Yes, for PPR.
What of vacation da?
Vacation?
Yeah. Only family, only mother.
No.
And in Kwadano.
No.
Ma worry 13 years or so. Anna.
Yes.
Ma worry for how long?
Almost 13. They got 14 years.
Who 14 years?
Of course.
Obiti say won't mean for you no man ko vacation da.
Yes, Ebeko. More.
This is serious.
It's not serious. I've planned.
40 years I've been planning.
So oh sorry
Anna. Don't say kosi bro ni di ntina na mo free abrochire Benham Ghana ha relax.
Almost
dey na only until the years cars na vacation.
Of course.
Abrochire kwa na with my
vacation Ghana.
With my kono sunyan, with my kono friends say lakeside hotels be ho, with my ko be
nice
area but I'm telling you akosomo me kutu akosho kakra.
Ene odika.
Elmina but ma akosho kakra.
You are right.
Untimi nko one day crowd.
Nay, me could be the because me
chanting. Na friction.
Kwa.
I'm telling you. Vacation na pa. Tell me once on Covid.
Mo plan se mako.
14 years na final planning.
Na bending. Ana there.
Wow. Ghana for one Africans na pesa de man. But do we be free umpa or da so kakra.
Akoda mpa foforo so.
So why you be fresh
stress.
Who do you think about?
From a foforo fa kra.
But serious. For more than Peter.
O pie.
No pie say no more crowd be pie anya lumba bi na de ko. Lumba kwa de bi na de ko. Umfa dem pie de bia o chise face why?
Anya me nko a.
Ana on nam na utwi the cars.
Why? That is
serious.
It's serious.
No, the dead and the camera.
What can they mafa? I will work on it. That's a part.
If you kabia send one hotel 2 nights be when you be jisa no masaba. Man Musa this big question.
Big?
Yes. No, not big sir. Before some worry mother said they are old dating kakra. To which makase oma date one for bia tu kwaida
epie
ne pie and tu kwai outside Kumasi and go relax for a night or two da
mame
waketua wo so
lasa me aside
omo de utumi do
me say mame ko start time for bra me sasa
no but
big question no but
utumi do girlfriend
me say magia tum
do girlfriend etumi tu kwai e ko di a night or two a hotel relaxing jimani da pool mu ye bibia or more for 14 years for tu kwai da o so ana dan kasi.
Do you think I'm the only victim?
No, we don't know dealing with this.
Obi tie bi o baby.
No, very bad.
Onu see wa onu 20-30 years.
No.
Onya bi.
Enye wo wasem, no na me no.
I'm saying magia tum. Me say magia tum nye bi. Vacation. De bia wo.
Baby this is sunyai.
Wo. Obama vacation.
Sunyai.
Obama vacation. Me say Obama vacation.
Saturday after work, oh yeah day. But my Sunday early morning. No aba.
Yeah.
And Sunday evening no aba.
Vacation.
Osunyai. Na ko hese na hosi ye
de.
Do girlfriends with tu kwai. Omo nkyere me nipa o kasa no na me ma 20 cedis here.
We don't know our when we training fitness is different from match fitness. But always we have been training without matches. We don't know our level because when we get to competitive games, we see that we find it difficult because we don't have match fitness. So we find it difficult. So we thank God for all the support that He has been giving us and all the motivation and everything that He gives us. We thank Almighty Allah for giving us life and keeping them so that next year they will keep supporting us.
Okay, say Dima o de amamenye 30 cedis. Obi betwa, wona wo say Dima o. Obi betwa sisi awo do 30 cedis.
30 cedis.
0244263902. 0244263902. Bawcho monfa why na kasa no 30 cedis credit is here.
One draw your dropa. One
draw.
Police ni a draw.
Yes.
Police ni no draw.
Papa no dem no betum.
Fatumbi.
Papa.
Tise
me na ma me ntibre.
General beda tibre. Immune system na day.
Obi no mo fa brusa we be do third floor ha.
Ohumiti.
Uchi na no ho na kasa no ho a. Obi a otiem bia dia dancing.
Of course.
Do third floor no bi kasa ho a. De pass obi na.
Because ohumiti. No police ni na true. Immune system na be strong. Wapum din be kosro. Body pains be ko, joint pains be ko, pressure be ko, BP be ko, kidney uni problem, menstrual problem be ko, obesan so aye bema, uni obeshi mu a enije ebeba. Police ni no edro, kope bito, ahaban ene dia ye edro yi. Unumu a wa bonso wanu medro pa. General voice ya boy ye one voice.
30 seconds aba.
Oh, twem kura da.
Fatau Muhammad, heart of full captain.
Fatau Muhammad.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Fatau.
Heart of full captain. Fatau.
Okay, Fatau.
The voice na boy no.
Yes, how can ampa?
Monsa ntibium. Na wona unima. Oni fa ebrebe hu. Unima, jesu bizunim. So just say.
Okay ampa.
Mun ntibium.
Fitness is different from match fitness. But always we have been training without matches. We don't know our level because when we get to competitive games, we see that we find it difficult because we don't have match fitness. So we find it difficult. So we thank God for all the support that He has been giving us. And
no.
First message about winning a deal.
First message.
No deal. I say round 1. Or my uncle round 2. We'll be due first round. No, we need to why?
Men take advantage. The news thing will be a whole.
Oh.
Men take advantage. Men news thing will be a.
Me catch yourself first person or the buyer no any deal. So when I the credit labor, and he say obidia we do. Nti first person na ye na just say onko round 2 or beko round 1
nkaso wa wene elie
o say
jaro manye do
baba wa wene
jaro manye do pe
ye ketwi as bro for wa wene
trowi
nti first person no any deal
okay
kojo obubu apom den Fatau Muhammad Fatau Muhammad da hono first person first person Hey, Ucho. Fatau
Muhammad. Okay. Number here 024 654 7018. Okay.
Yeah.
0246 547018. Why your number on our winning?
Yes.
All right.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Alhaj Asai Baba. Maminti you kakra na fi for questions no. Mesha say every I read your honey Facebook questions no. Nti the medin can read ni na answer na me de aka ni na. And the questions no mu emu yem de pa. Alhaj Maminti you.
Bidasi. Say you has a copy mo Cape Coast. And she share technical team na and say before so be free hono. On be 4 matches. 4 friendly matches for matches she do manim. The first friendly match on medical bono weekend a House of Folk versus Abusia Drops. It has a free CEO so management members and on penny for even some board members in ano. Boka ko pium china el Cape Coast. Akwa ko training the Mekos on Yama Koso any first match House of Folk against Drops Bebo. Omabo no Global Academy. Odache damte ne park ne so hona ombo sa match no this weekend. Sejo new coach House of Folk company for the bar is Ura Feno Carlos Manuel Pinto. One so no Monday and company for the number call Cape Coast. Na akwakoka has team no ehon. Nyame ya don watcha Auras players has a register mono and I say this year Auras players nyina no afoforo ene adadafo nyina no me 30 echina sa 30 players ne bekwakoye medicals our Crossport Stadium Monday so sad 30 players now so bekwakom COVID test our Crossport Stadium the medicals ni nyame admo china and COVID test no so no and so Monday 30 players of Glorious across Auras and bekwakoye sa adwuma no and so how supporters no so and channel so nyame admo dwumadi bi bekoso ewo Ashanti region nti a date no eduru ha be ma manfo aso ate ade National Chapters Committee ene Ashanti regional body no na yes anhihye na nyame adoma Saturday bay ni na wotwe in a program no ebeba so big rally ebekoso yedikan e de ato supporters na nim omo enhye no so sejo minko ha people ne so intentem ma minko Pierre Kona bedie wasi Adebayo d'Interallies la travailler de la visiter de Denmark Salahon Lator là-bas hôpital Toutoulé la Lega du Ghana Sergio Pierre Kona bedie sin hwehwe ma wa ne se Abranche sefe no Adebayo Interallies for player no wakopi mo Denmark na hwehwe mu a Kona bedie fikof wo mu aye ne se wo se a section of the club Ghana clubs defenders be say hey akoda we ko die ho to ye o sana people no ka la proca was a club du Accra Otrusé à Plouveau Kiskia la tout la main Somasote was oh House of Folk Olitam Hotel sana la proca so e de eba sejo we Bontuku Express was la club du Ghana of l'été la mois au Tutuye ça va encore Somata aux dirigations aux témoins c'est là-bas contre le monde conculatoire de Justice Blay de Martinanim Kujo la friction la frilama c'est jo bon tout cas préciser hu mo wa ni se play for Justice Blay ana Martin Anim Kujo c'est jo o se sa place dia out of asade ko ko squad ko ba se house yade ya ho
wani aje
yade onye de bia na nkora on betwetwe
meso wani aje
ana people no ka
wani aje
nyame na mani aje bro tu kura so say Justice Blay and Martin Anim Kujo o mu nyina out of court
meso wani aje sa go de wuram fida
ya place ne bisi yo yade ya ho
sa go de wuram fida
ba kwara no won wan yesa ate ye cheni sika etwem sana people no ka abriye nam di chat sejo voici registration de Ghana la visiter son bateau là-bas Congo Lama auditoire la monde à Plouvou sauter le monde de soi au diké moi Abusia Drops place ça new place on register on do donier on esa enson Karela FC esa inum House of Folk esa 5 Kinfesa esa 10 Legon Cities almost sign nwotwe Tachiman 11 Wonders almost sign 4 say you was microphone sign 82 almost 82 no more almost sorry 21 aka come so sape mi no aka ho sa na people no ka
na won't mudi
see na bri etwere sa na meka
okay
o sinkrofo no almost 81 and almost sorry so na beka 21 aka come sape
mo ma sign say heart
has assign enum na ko for na sign 81
okay
and almost sorry so na 21 come sape mi no aka sa na people no ka
yo yati Jasbly any saa so boy no
Matthew
nim kujo eni ho ntino mo atom
so
all right
so ko yenya ho to sa no ka nya
yade ho
yo yati afeyen hwe mo questions amode abantentem ma win chance mfam free Facebook questions amode Abdul Hamid and Edin kan Edi we abre Abdul Hamid say good morning sir Joe. Our focus has always been on management and the technical team anytime a team fails to perform. The league is about to start. What do we have to tell the players who are supposed to work hard on the field because most of them are always lazy on the field? Hamid Aswasi, first question. Facebook, we at the Rollins Banner. Good morning, sir Joe. Watching you live from Dubai. Debut, and then you're watching you live from Bio. And then questions. And then questions. Rollins, Michelle, and then questions. Jay Samuel Urakun. Good morning, Joe. I'm Samuel Urakun Ajay Takrade Forestry Commission. Indeed, you and your crew are doing marvelous job. Greetings to my mom. Jay Samuel Urakun also the out by I don't know. Vice Baumia Junior. GH. Good morning, Sergio. I want to know if Liverpool will sign David Alaba in January. Okay, you never walk alone. Vice Baumia Jr. Rashid Mayweather. Good morning, Sergio. I'm watching you live from Babatokuma inside Bono East. Debbie, where's your question? Malam Abubakar Shaibu Iniesta. Sokori. Please, my question is, how many goals did Neymar score for FC Barcelona before leaving to PSG? Casben Sports, the best. Mala Ubaka, I don't know. Anthony Emisa, happy birthday to Mr. Frederick Champon. God bless you and congratulations. Future member of parliament. Udiade Abba, I don't know. Je suis Gizilil. My name is Benja Dini Writer. Good morning. I want to know if Chelsea will sign Paulo Dybala. Okay, if Chelsea for Paulo Dybala news I'm hearing is true. Okay, Chelsea for Paulo Dybala news I'm hearing if it's true. Jesus Gizilil. Wow. Malam Abubakar. My name is Afina. My question is, how many goals? I'm saying, Madin can answer a question. Madin can message way. Kojo Ampon Boadu said, if Asamoah performs well in the league and he's called to the local Black Stars instead of the Black Stars proper, will he honor that invitation? Kojo Ampon Boadu and we abre yang. John Adu. Good morning. I'm watching you live from Abuakwa Sapasi. Gideon. All right, Gideon. I'm Mangala from Obuasi Central. I want to ask Andy Kem, can a championship team qualify for Europa League if they win the FA Cup? Okay. Kojo Ampombuadu, I need Andy's best 11 in our local scene and bench. Wow. Andy's best 11 in our local scene and bench. Okay. Mark Melody, Ghana. GH said, good morning, please. My question is, why is it that a player is given a card when he or she bounces a ball on the pitch when an infringement is given against him or her? And what of hitting his hand on the ground? MC Melody would we free Obuasi and Abre. Ryan timer. Good morning, Zedo. Please Tell Newton I'm 16 years of age. I started following Newton from Angel. He's my role model. I love him so much. Please add me to. Okay. Abbas Inusa. Answer no answer if I tell Muhammad, but if I wrong place. Jay Sechi Kwabena Fred. Good morning, Sergio. I'm watching you live from Gambaga. Okay. Male Bismarck. Sunyai Kutu Krum. Citizen Foster. We a question and we send your question mean to me Emma. I'm so we say happy birthday. Prayer, trust, consistency, patience, respect, loyalty, humility, and many more is what you need to build a successful life. Happy birthday, Achi Williams Mensa. I'm watching you live from Accra Arena, behind the Children's Hospital. United will humble Arsenal on Sunday. What's your take? Papa Samoa said, good morning, please. Yesterday, Andy Cam made a statement on Kai Havertz saying he will have dropped him if he was Lampard. My question is, will you drop a player who has been involved in 6 goals in 8 matches? Again, Cat comment on Twitter about the prices of the stadium was very bad. It should learn how to communicate and lead how and learn how to plead. Okay, his post was like the stadium belonged to the GFA. Okay, you got to hear some potia. Kate Modebaya. Branty, Papa Samoa, Achena Gionwe. Male Bismarck, happy birthday, Achi. Felix, Nana Apia Kubi boss. One Wala Santi Kotoko's Brazilian player arrive. Okay, Felix Nana Apia Kubi. Rashid Mayweather, if I want to know if Real Madrid can qualify to the round of 16, the UEFA Champions League. Mayweather inside Baba Tokuma. Boti Ajanim Seraph, greetings, says, why do assistant referees use different flags? Okay, Papa Samuel Bio, I'm saying, you know, I say, Daniel Ayim, also, can Andy give me the best striker in Ghana now that my lovely team as Antikotoko can buy to add to our squad now? Watching you live from Virginia, USA. Daniel Ayim, ya chao ne Ghana for more Virginia nyina. Ronaldo so Virginia, eh? Yeah. Oh, okay. And the Ronaldo ngwan obi hu no ya chia no pa credit here the mama for Ronaldo Adaruma and Ayansa Eka. Watching Ajenim Sheriff. Greetings. Why do I say reference to Wedding Kanwe? Sanso and Nana Ediweba, who is the first player to score for Brekum Arsenal in the Ghana Premier League. Also more questions. And the first person to score for Brekum Arsenal in the Premier League, Ghana. Okay, Malam Bakar Iniesta, who is the best midfielder in Arsenal Football Club. Wow. Inti and so I don't know. Me pancho mo mama mfa Facebook question si NC ha na fi yemra SMS no enso kakra. Me wo others be enso e wa ha metime yini na de afri ho. Mo amodifa baby ayen ka se mo mfa but mo de afa ho already no. There's nothing we can do about it. Okay. Minim. In fact, yesterday I felt so sad because of this video below. Some dirty criminals went to the Lenclair Stadium and cut very expensive cables connecting the floor of that light. Wow, these are very, very expensive cables. I think this might be a planned action or sabotage. We'll do our possible best to bring these criminals to book, inshallah. Wow, we ifri obuasi penny pabi. Now the pictures in ba akromfo amokako wi anema ewo Lenclair. Enya sam ketua later me ahwe video no ba. I don't believe we boni din. It's too bad. Me to me fani din Emma. Later I be hwe sanse bi nyina enso ayi dia bremo. Good morning, Sir Joe. And the reputable crew fantastic, fabulous, happy birthday to the man with the lion's heart, Freda Champon. I want to know if nowadays goalkeepers have been banned from their skinny, long trousers, or is it their choice to wear short pants? Champion said the league will be between his Ash Gold and Mediema. Is that true? If you compare all the teams, Anefi, anyway, Efri Sunyai Zongo, and so Abre Yansisia, Anefi, de Abba, and so no. Abusia Penny, hey, Sammy. Good morning, the legend. Please wish my boss, Frederick Achampo, happy birthday for me. It's been a blessing to me. He's the reason I'm in this industry. May the good Lord richly bless him. But please, our transfer fee, or else, else you're the best source you are coming to see. Abuja Penny Samia Jambo. Friends saying Kumasi FM 104.1 and the Ubuchimba. Na else now the best source now can
as no man look it threatening.
Yes.
And you don't threaten the general.
Yes.
You don't threaten the main man.
Hey, general, they all threaten.
You don't threaten the general.
Yes, I mean, else if you want can
Kanezaka. Oh, the record status coming.
I was a funny Sammy or power. Just a good. Oh, those guys are very good, very good, very good.
Oh, no, he was to do.
Oh, just a good one. Now say what the papers were as well.
Sending you.
Basa I want to look at Andre Fellows. I want you to look at Andre Pello and if he stands a chance to succeed. As well, okay. And number two, I also want you to look at how the table has turned against Ronald Koeman after Bartomeu. Okay. Player power and Puyol's tweet. Mokai Puyol tweet be. Okay, drew her. Wade Ifri, Aisha, Saha's kitchen, D-Chem so Aisha Meti Wonkacho. Okay, and also the Ode Abba, I don't know. Okay. So good morning. My question is, why do Ghanaian players abroad always speak ancient English in their interviews, even when the country they are playing don't even speak English? Thank you. Owo Modena, Italy.
Yeah. Ubika ancient English.
This Owo na church.
Ghana players make ancient English. Kurokua ones.
No, cat English side there. Okay, it's your the general, Modena, Ode, Abre, and so, no. Okay, good morning, Sir Joe, and your fantastic crew. Please, I want your panel to explain the role of a technical director of a club. Most people are making issues out of the appointment of Pinto as the club's technical director. What's the difference between Hatchofog's appointment and that of other clubs in Europe? Happy birthday to Frederick Champong. He's a genius. Gadgesbeck, Sir Gadgesbeck. What are the way? And so Abre, Sir, we're most grateful to you. We say, Sir, why is Nana Yao? Why is Nana Yao's name dragged into Nathaniel and Mediema's case? But what's the question, I say? Why is Nana Yao's name being dragged into Nathaniel and Mediema's case? Ajimai, in Ebusa Simu, but I'm on to Mame. Na mo asembia ho and so mo de abreye. What Sergio, what is a drop ball? When and how is it applicable in a football match? Page 1. NAD we and so abreye. Your other ones be and so ewaha. Yen through one and form part of the first batch of questions are Modi Ebre Kesben 3.3 live on Kesben television. Kwatiama I can't believe we we are Nadia. Kwatiama the new Asante Kotoko Brazilian recruit look good with Asante Kotoko heading into Africa. And I think he can be of good help to the club. Sir, my question is, can Fabio Gama dos Santos do it on a hot Sunday afternoon at Domahinkru? Okay. Also the Abreye and on the Quatia Wako, anyway, if USA Nuha and Abreye Quatin Chiaupa. Good morning, Lakalas. Please, my question is about the buyout clause in Spain. Please let your panel explain further for me. For example, when PSG bought Neymar Jr., I didn't hear them pay any amount to Barcelona. Again, in terms of most appearances, trophies, and Ballon d'Or wins. Greetings to Prophet James Rubin. Tutu, anyway, if you boss FM. We have a question, no?
Yeah.
Please, my question is about the buyout clause in Spain. Please let your panel explain further for me. Example, when PSG bought Neymar Jr., I didn't hear them pay any amount to Barcelona in terms of most appearances, trophies, and Ballon d'Or wins.
I think said they are different actually better us and the TIF will be better to us.
So, okay.
We shall clearly the first part of the say.
Okay.
So the buyout clause in the Spain.
Okay.
Because what they say PSG and PSG be ama Barcelona. A brand name a free Barcelona.
Okay.
PSG.
All right. We a free upon or the free UK and about upon say, can you please convince us as to why Danilo of Juventus is always fortunate to find himself in the biggest clubs in Europe? Because that very ordinary lateral can't even fit in Asante Kotoko's 11. Danilo upon the way Abba. Wow. Okay. We tutu dia no. I'm say Medin kai ahwe. Mami nko miami ni akwasi dichem so. Akwasi say now that the game changes in office. Now that the game changes in office, are we? Akwasi you ni now open them. Are we going to have cameras at all the league centers to check officiating and intimidations? Okay. I was here na Safa Bremi. Na I'm saying a very important question and I'll buy you know. Maminko aye wenchi no Fiora wenchi Banda line. Say thanks to the Almighty Allah for graciously granting us this great day. Say we witnessed Frank Amankwa and Yao Amankwa Mreku play football to the highest level as right full backs. Between these two great footballers, who do you honestly think was more talented, productive, and successful? Alaji Mama Salia, Fiora Wenchi Banda line, Amankwa Mreku and Frank Amankwa. Okay, that's nice. Afi Yemra Ehefa Biom Fufro Ewaha na Marisha Eatwell die Eatwell Eatwell. Or say Robert Mensah wore a cap. Ajoka wore a cap. Is cap wearing a thing of the past? Can an Apple player wear a cap in matches? Oh, okay. We are on the goalkeeper. And also, me as a cap and we the Mijidi pa say Kala. Bet me answer questions in a day. I'm a Calabria will be a breast studio. Cecilia Mr. with the idiom. Brana by Wajuma Fama almost. Joe and a reputable crew. Fantastic, fabulous, happy birthday to the man of the Medinkai Akai and Nefi and so message way. Okay, enti yamfa first batch no insia yaba ya the others need no ebebrem me who message bia and so ba ya na efa. Okay, Victorious Collins, my show message quickly na yantoa so enfound. Victorious Collins as saying, I've closely monitored the progress of this great personality over the years. He has faced a lot of criticisms for his frankness and firmness. I say I equal to you on a wonderful day like this in your life. Mr. Frederick Champon, happy birthday to you, sir. God bless your new age, grant you long life, good health, and happiness. Greetings to you all. Now, to my question, can the panel do a holistic exercise on the Asante Kotoko team compared to the previous season? How strong can this Asante Kotoko team be ahead of the coming season, please. I'm still waiting for the funeral donations from the whole crew. Unya ye na say yentimi ama. Minima dear. Okay. Also, so I'm a see. One said I'm a see you. Yeah, you see ya. Untimi mfa wanona. And the message you there be. So baha. The I don't want to be Javi. Victorious Collins.
Victorious.
Aye. Well, I also have a see a year, but my name is obviously a year. Until no TV train. All right. In CI. My family commercials, Kisia Amra, Meba, Nafi, second batch, the SMS messages na buy. But could we buy FA Nanayao and Ponsane, Asante Kotoko, something TB. Nagaran Basham the cafe, but means Sanka, Mary, Nam the cafe, but of questions now, Bano, Nafi Moa Sunny Nadi.
PS Canada to a Royal Spanish Football Federation, Asue, Ena, a Barcelona, Kwaji Scano, then he left. So indeed, even though directly any PSG in the two, but PSG for any discarding my name and a name they torn out of the contract and or joining a team my friend Paris Saint-Germain. Obibisa said Chelsea, is it true? Said Chelsea per Paulo Dybala of a Juventus fame. Yes, of course. Obasha last year under Mauricio Sarri, Omokachre Dybala said he can find a club for himself. In fact, or exploit him Edrubebina on a Tottenham Hotspur and Manchester United in the Dinkitamu to the extent and Erekra Echo Manchester Krumo. But eventually, deal now go through. He went back to fight for his position. But the nay a bar said Team Sisa manager no Andre Pello by no onye so much comfortable with Pello with a Dybala. Amoma catch Dybala say he can find a club. And the reporter Bachelor said Chelsea analyze the situation no after the possibility of signing Dybala for probably next season. I cut 2 years on the contract. Season we're gonna Natchez will rather the final year of the season. It makes him relatively cheaper. But I'm sure that the technical guys will look at it and say, so Dybala Chelsea here in there now looking at the players that what a position at Chelsea players that what those positions you know. So Joe, we free wa anyembia sa Samuel ebo Ghana League ibi na say your friend will look at Black Stars or Beba na omo question with them say Samuel Jan ene ni microphone a bit to me actually ne brain to do one the metre
that's a friend Black Stars proper they go friend
local Black Stars
yeah invite no be kwa na uncle
question no
just one answer
just one
na so wo ji unit na
mintimi ni sanko
okay
maybe betima dinko mo na actually ma final because clearly say the argument is that you should retire. When you retire, you have retired from national team. You don't retire from national team A and still be available.
Officially retire.
On retire.
Okay. Now because one retire, is it with my friend or no?
Yes. The last time Nenika signed.
Can't go with my friend.
Yeah. The last time I'm meeting, Ninsamo can say Onunim say or that's a general captain of the Black Stars because yes, the previous call up he was not called probably because not only club. And now more intinian friend no but obianka bibian chere say ni general captain ajefi ni nsem and one say the general captain amobia fufuru bia enti position demand the last time I call AFCON to the best of his knowledge that is his status. Okay we no efri hono ma obisu bisa say Nanaya Mponsa din beye den and I Robin no play I think say we free upon also Robin no play regarding Mediema. Any
free Ajiman.
Yeah. Ajiman itimetim. Ose Nanaya Robin no play na den any dini na Mediema any Nathaniel Asamoah a deal no ensumu. Nanaya Mponsa first of all Nathaniel Asamoah ko sign a contract ma Mediema as a free agent. Na contract no after so Oje signing on fee no musa di she mu say se Mediema ton abrante na ono player no osa 40% e wono an transfer fee nim. This is what happened. Mediema a transfer abrante and dini Nathaniel Asamoah e ko Raja Casablanca. And Sikano Raja for no agent to broker deal no e Nanaya Mponsa nei oye kotoko chief executive officer. He was entitled to 20% of that deal. Now the thing is Raja for no muntueska no enti Mediema call FIFA na eventually scan by Nanaya Mponsa was paid his 20% as an intermediary for the deal. And na the na say media madema nat no omo entua eno na abrante ne de call player status committee omo say no media ma for so mutua ma no e kire omo say de call this year ni nyina no omo budi abo media ma enti omo say media ma ntua 40% of the money no emfa ma abrante no. Now the interesting thing is our calculation omo ye na so omo tua $54,000 and the demand Nathaniel Asamoah. Interestingly, because FIFA no case ni ko FIFA in 1, media ma tua agency fee, edema agent no di animu, ema omuko legal fee, sorry, legal brains omu di animu ko ye adwuma de ma no. They also paid 10% edema GFE and sana de omu say tua de ma agency no. But because media ma anko chire omu nsemu a omu ye ne say na ati case no ntino case no painful di and now media ma is to pay sika ye $54,000 in fact up till 18th November so media ma ntua say sika na say omu ni na ta anya arrangement bia oboma achi bia no sha ibetumi ama naso ayehwe ho obi say Arsenal bobuku na honom who is their best midfielder. Wow, I'm going for Thomas Partey. Minim, I think Ceballos is quite close, but I'm going for Thomas Partey. Minim what the others think. I say teams been a year okay. I'm in for we into aso. But so beside say season ebeshasi and then some na yen as analyst ye work catch players no because come here ko eze mpempi no say team and deliver is either the coach or the management and ye this one bomu players no mo sign contract akese no ma begigi them and they will be lazering around no and then ye catch from mzo Yusu Kotoko as reference. I'm tempted to believe say we Kotoko player no sign contract for no aba a football ba kope and here. You see, the body of the dead is a warning to the living. The body of the dead is a warning to the living. And the ubei, a quiet fast John Crawford, Mubasa, Omo Antimani, Omo money, and the year Pamomo, so Munko, a bisimetra, almost the buntra, a bisime bomb, Pam Chomam and Tromson, you a diapamo, Bejiska in the corner. Oh, and now no aba, may assure their footwork as your man and say, Ubasha, the idea or Mumbai, and Omanjiro Muam when ye. I ne ye jo mu kwan a akasem predators e bi kura koyes ade a enye no esese no eye futu kese de ma wa ba foforo no. For me I think because any big team if you come and you lazy around omunya daje mfama one here you be pushed to the periphery kwa tentenwa Sergio ba konsusu e beside say anyembia Fabio on a very hot Sunday afternoon at Osia de yo Ajimambedu Park Kotoko Brazil ni obetima agina wie mabo omunim Brazil kakra no mbeka kiro say yo bria baby bebria ehonso awia bopa. Brazil is a very huge country a super now stadium weather now almost 3 different but I know say from where he's coming from it is possible he can deliver. The only thing is that for some years now Abrante and Ankasa in Europe and so di ho akoniaba Sweden near there or did ho akoniaba so I'm not too sure but it's from a country potentially or mutumi bobo ewo area so that could be possible. Emari Mfise Kotoko ye 15th contract all signed as a player. Abrante 28-year-old Fabio 15 contract. Sergio Danilo no oya hwan average player on sheda nya de nso da bia boboku akese and was signed the mom. Identi and etisa. That was the question. Ampa Abodema Santos from Brazil. Uwi Okobo FC Porto, Okobo Real Madrid, Manchester City, and then Juventus. Who he plays for big club. Country be one of the big clubs and Obo. He has a group of agency. I'm tempted to feel say the agency no one of the major reasons are enuntino utuminya big clubs and ebono or a very very hard working and solid agency omu carrying around. Frank Amankwane ya Amankwa why the better player are going for Frank Amankwa. Amankwa struggle playing for the national team. but Frank Amankwa in his days was always part and parcel of the national team proper, and he was a key member. So in terms of talent, Senena Branti and Ibisano, I think say Frank Amankwa, but Amankwa Mriku is one of the guys me and Kasa personally have so much affection for. But between the two, I will go in for Amankwa Mriku. Mamin Jemu Ohuna and the Monsusun Ebimu Ohonum Sejo.
Okay. Andy Kem. I mean, can I ask a question? Okay, with the later, my friend, also.
Me look at na.
Oh, you look at, yeah, okay. Yeah, okay.
Well, me started from obviously champions league na yebebono. Has ne kotoko nka ho, aduana nka ho. Between
Media Man Ash Gold.
Yes. Media Man, yes, Ash Gold, no. Macau has a Ash Gold team. They almost try to find replacement for their players or Boko. But it will be virtually a new team. Obiweka say, oh, na se kotoko monso di enesa anebe. But the reality is that you look at players or Moko and the replacement. Koja mo akun ho, omo di ampim da Costa be kan Samed ne Agio ho. Roland Amuzu ewo ho. Omako fa Abdul Bashir from Dreams FC so den aba be kan ho. And obi any experience Abdul Bashir wa obetimi ade up to the accept up. But baby anama as good yes strong. E mom yes exceptional no. E omo midfield. And then omo Esonu ho omo apia makatu ho. But again, they are going to build a new midfielder. So it will be very difficult for them to dominate teams. It will take time before that midfield in ebe jelly. Oseba foko Emmanuel Usubebo Amos ade ewo ho bebo makaje kuma fit or beba back passejo. Virtually so check the spine of the team. It is virtually broken. They are just trying to find replacement for them. But again, be as good, exceptional. Their midfield, and they are going to build a new midfielder. It will take time for them to gel. I don't believe if I'm looking at the favorite for this particular league, I have as good account. Maybe Emma Sporting Club, yes. Why? Because almost to a level of consistency. Sena Mediama yet almost back five. A new player will be Romuya Branch friend Patrick Yeboankwa. Almost 4 players, almost kind of 5 back and also do. Almost very, very consistent from Daniel Agil, Ibrahim Yaru, Samson Apia, Samuel Apia, any Branch friend Alawa. So now almost back 5 from Omoya, you are going to have only 1 new player. In the midfield, Sedu, Omo Okosido is still available. Tetezuta cried the last season on Yabimo. Rashid Note is fully fit. Eric Kwakwa is fully fit. The Omuhi and so many Kodjasa Mabesha baby, Ewum Fifio, no Mape Abdubase Tetimi Amanajine. Omo Ben Messi, there are 2 key players in Anako Fibabel and Abrantia, a friend Prince Opoko Adjiman. But so shit teams are almost competing for the league. And I say players are more debo so in the Premier League. Yeah, players teams are more teams so more players. The man no more any money. Elmina Sharks, international allies. Any team my friend, team my friend, Adriana Stars. And even Kotoko players are only the attack and are still on more. In Tisauko, Elmina Shaksa, Fumaza, any Abrantia, a friend Benjamin Boatin, still our more. Kotoko Benyana Bikita, the Willem Pokumensa, still on more. Yaya Mohammed, any bright idea that's so for Adriana Stars. But a team of friend Media Mabelu to get 2 key players who gave them 14 goals last season. But Omar tries to be replaced. Let's see how things will work out for them. But that will be the only loophole in their team compared to a team, my friend at Gunti. The level of consistency in terms of experience and their midfield quartet of Eric Kwakwa, Kosi Donsu, and then Rashid Note. Said they almost see a bomb who are channel. Said you, and no more upper hand as compared to most of the teams are and more the favorites for the league now. Obibusa say players na dia ne ye ka kire omo Sefranco di kaka o ye footballer na season e be chance asejo ade also hunu ne say o set target ne ma ho ase kotoko player ebe mo si jesi ni modu ebe mo say pressure ne dawson the moment aba ya o salary na 500 Ghana you should to call 5,000 na e o say no a odi ka ajutum say what jump akọ wanim for not less than 4,500 asejo it comes with pressure. So we are now 1 million, now 10 million. They also say to whom much is given, much is expected. Until almost expecting more from you. Until you as a player, and first of all, was so cycle. Say baby, and I'm bubble. Say first, nipa 1,000 and a shot. And then the old baby bubble, baby, and nipa 10,000 and and baby, and nipa 10,000 and so they said you. It comes with huge pressure. Until you as a player, first of all, also cycle. Again, you must set a certain target for yourself. Baby, I want to say first now, but mediocre performance. Then I'm so man on one. Unkwana we are the into be a man fans. The also who said now about joining a star-sided team. Yeah, this kind of koto obi who is obi idea with names. Until performance, if you were giving 30%, I also they be 50 can when they do 80 because your team be until said supporters never results and said you performance have done a DBR it will tend to be mediocre. Until you as a player should set a certain target for yourself. So team ketuam Kwampoku so on Kwanzaa Warriors now just 7 goals will be about you so baby how about the dear or more history or more quality until also she goes no man bros Adumako, Saoko Bobo Belarus now fan when you chance back to Kotokwa. You are coming back to relaunch your career. Into first and now 2 goals and a body Joshua and the baby Awabano are more expecting more because you have 5 strikers competing for one position. Into you as a player you set a certain target for yourself as you obey me a performer with all this pressure, the amount involved, the numbers, the management members said you also who say Sanyama winning now they are expecting more from you. But then now you bedia to say a Jumana there's a player and a bebo or more. It will miss up also perform at the training grounds. But the technical men are so key and they are supposed to work and work so well to make sure they get the best out of the place. And he said, you and Sema a bit me a catcher or no, and then be and you bet me their management. So especially when you are paid well, when you are giving winning bonuses, and when the land is so fertile for you to flourish, you bet your management, no, Niaka technical bent in the players and boom. In the idea also players no, or targets not comes with videos, and they were also open for after games. Ubetimi abuso omo question say game na me boy say na ho no mistakes be na me game no e kon be na metimi afa so improve me game no sika na awogina so otimi dibi YouTube ko videos play our person usua obo no te so no say jo e also make sure say baby a obehwe ni videos obehwe ball nso omo mfa bi nto DStv na say jo omo nhwe ball na ahwe ni bi eno ne boaw e ma o game na etimi pagya ekoso so these are the things as jo ye betimi aka che players no. Obviously, the role of the technical director now has for technical director. Now, no rule no a different from Rofuna na Sejo Debi. Technical director na Jumane say, or should be so far as the coaching development is concerned. Coach ni more able to say the training regiments to say is he sticking to the curriculum of the club. Team Bia on in Shisaya or Maye. I boame team ni team koso na saa ne mani nyina no openina ye friend technical director na sajo saa ne mani nyina e woni ho the philosophy of the club on also hwe hu say club ne philosophy no say ne sitie heart of folk e team a omo ya result oriented omo ne team a omo kasa about your ball ne fa na your ball na fe the omo supporters anima 3 maximum points nti say your technical director na oba in as much as you are coming with your own philosophy they have a certain philosophy I catch omo say heart of folk debi amka omo it say Juventus they don't care about the quality of football. What they need is results. That is House of Folk. Into almost 3 points no more. Into your technical director now, you must seek to it that all these results will come hand in hand for you to have a smooth line. I said, you that is the work of the technical director. Coaching development, sticking to the curriculum of the club, and making sure you stick to the philosophy of the club. It's technical and tactical development of the team. Into opening our technical director for how to focus. Need anything different. On your sporting director, at said your Modema Air can grant no. As someone head coach Kano. Or a technical director for the club, and his work as a technical director is in different form. And more for now, you are more technical directors. No? So you will say, men compare Kotoko Timi and the Uwe Namen fan compare last one. They will see him on say, and never be a Kotoko Drain. So what is so be boss any Pama Kuma Kudu Baku, and a dinner. Ebe jinama Kotoko in the next season in the Pakro no na ye ne probables and I say Manchester Kotoko team na bono and ya hwehwema na ye own analysis and projections e de awie say absoma si ne babo baako we ne bebo tu but say just say me sha difference e bebe team way as compared to the old one will be their midfield. There will be stability in midfield. Say injuries are manko and there will be stability in midfield because Makawa say Kotoko lack control in their midfield. That is why they struggle against teams are middle table and below table teams. Macau has said they struggle against Dwarfs in Medford, they struggle against Liberty Professionals in Medford. But in the presence of Anabila and Emmanuel Kayeke, since our 2 players are consistent there, no one had the best out of them there, Sejo. There will be stability in their Medford. I'm not so much convinced with the Sarko dear boy because I've not watching. But I know Kayeke, I know Anabila. Sarko dear me pese me answer. And sana hype no money they can mention my follow be. I should say only to that particular billionaire. But with those 2 players, there will be stability in Kotoko Medford. Because I do say, oh, check Kotoko team now. Be a central defense or goalkeeping now be or let's say if the coach decides to go in for Patrick Asma. And that's idea likely say the player that is signed Kayeke and then Abranti a friend Latif Anabila and the players I likely say they will start in attack. 5 players they can still stick to the old, and it is likely Okra and then Emmanuel Demfibebo wins because Kotoko sign a wingers or man or man able. But I think there will be stability in their midfield. That would be different compared to Martin Entry, Colin Samia, Kwame Adom Frimpong, or midfield, Justice Blame midfield now, said you now Mobono. Okay, Obi say my first 11
of
the Ghana Premier League.
Okay.
So you made me depending on last season.
On my area and on my time be and season we more
ball.
And now the last season the didn't was here in can was.
So you met me a last season there no. Na ma hwe omo call me pibia hihim.
Okay.
But CCA so o ka say me new signings or mark teams not to turn first 11 and that is different.
Okay.
But if I'm to do or if I'm to pick any first 11 now, I will not be fair to the system because Bobby Ama.
Okay.
Until I will depend on league na boy and the players no boy no. And I said, Joe, me be 11.
Okay.
Me goalkeeper Joseph Ado for Adriana Stars. 10 clean sheet for Adriana. Me right back here Christopher Neti. Oni Abranti FNAD Kwan April, but I'll pick Oni Adikwan and then Augustine Randolph formerly of Bichim United and Okokarela. Me right back near me and me pick Emmanuel Christopher Neti. Why? Because out of the 14 games that he played, he gave a consistent performance for 10 good games with 3 man of the match awards. In the I make for a Christopher Neti on the right. My left side, the Radio Vuka, Hasufuk. Arguably, the best fullback in the Ghana Premier League. Only Abranti FN Benjamin Edu of Etima Efreno. Bekum Chelsea Naseju. Almost pray as my best led back at me here. But Radio Vuka again. The level of consistency in the performance in big games and the experience and then the quality I will show in the house of folk setup and I said you or don't I'm picking as my left fullback.
Okay.
The central defense obviously said you Mubarak Yusuf and then Abranti FN Zakaria Fuseni. Or money me 2 players me pick you omo. So how can be na?
No me bisa Kofi Amuakun. Kofi Amuakun of Ash Gold.
Omo me and say na me pick you be ahead of Kojo.
Oh okay.
Augustine Randolph. Christopher Neti as a Kwan, or me and saying I'm a pick woman ahead of Kodamako. Zakaria Fuseni and Mubarak Yusuf, my standout 2 centre backs in the Ghana Premier League last season. Number 6 is Justice Blay. Number 7 is Victoria Adebayo of International Allies. 8 year Kwako of Mediama Sporting Club. Prince Opoku Adjumaya Mohammed 9 10 and Nana Kofi Babel on the left. Me bench no ye Alawa Isaac Kwan. Rashid Norte, Prince Aduko Abna of Bichim United, Emmanuel Okra of Dreams FC, Kaleba Mankwa, Apia Makati, Omuneye, me bench for Sajo, me 11 and me bench. Obibusa say, striker Ben and Mr. Jesse say, Kotokon Kofadon. I said, you so share your Premier League year boy, striker see Omushi goes in na, and a Prince of Pukajama and South Africa. Ocean and Akofi Babela Oko Spain. Yaya Mohammed Daso won Nigerian Stars. Victoria Adebayo Cup. Inti uke strikers in every cheba for Tunisia. Benjamin Boateng Daso will team IFL Elmina Shas. But on our auxiliary striker and Kodogo prefer to have the main man in attack. Inti Obisa just say, why Kofi Kojenso Eko Sejo. Inti why na or suggest to say Mignano up front. Player I'll bet me I rely on him. That showed consistency last season. The Babi Sine. In Tala is a branch of Samuel Ama. Only Mohamed Zakaria and the leading lines and Sadio. He scored 7 goals in the Ghana Premier League. So fan now his strikers snack in Sadio, the level of consistency in there as compared to the striker selection. Sadio, Samuel Ama is the player that I would suggest Kotoko should go in for him to lead the lines. Sadio, I think that maybe.
Okay, for 9 no Enyina Hakakra. As we listening to you now, Chipsa, being the agent for Danlad Ibrahim together. 6 either a loan or immediate termination of his contract. Ajimai, and the way and so brave. My family was a videos no kakra na maba kalaso ho referee. Now answer questions na referees ni diano. Na fe marijata among for the questions be and so aba no aye ho adwuma. Hey, within this short time. All right. Yenhu de betimi aye. We say Alexa Asiama Maestro. Greetings to Sajo. Masokredu said he needs a striker. My question is, the current 5 strikers, who brought them to Asante Kotoko? Did he request for them, for such players? If yes, then why is he requesting for another striker? Asemaba Debi, Alexa Siama Maestro, Upper West region. Okay, Oyan wa Upper West region. Alexa Siama Maestro, so the no. Amankwa Gideon, good morning, Sergio. I want to know the motive behind the signing of Van de Beek. Van de Beek, okay. And also the Ebeba. George J. Greetings to Sergio. Between Kai Havertz and Mount, who is better? Who has been better this season? Happy birthday to Achi. Nana Kojo Crunchy Frimpon. Can your panel help analyze the new Asante Kotoko recruits if they will make a better team than the one CK Akono took to Africa in 2018? This is another interesting question. William Yabua William. Also, good morning. I'm watching you live from Doma Presbyterian Hospital. You're doing a good job. Thank you. Yeah, that's it. Opening K.A. Sapon. Sergio, watching you live from Dundalk, Ireland. Great show, as always. But Sergio, I want to ask the following questions. 1, Kumasi Asante Kotoko Express app has ads on it. Do those monies from online ads go to Kumasi Asante Kotoko? Number 2, can we have an official Asante Kotoko Instagram page where we can have videos and other audio visuals from our darling club? K.A. Sapon. In all, Nanayao Amponsa is doing great so far. We every Dundalk, Ireland, opening K.A. Sapon. We every Okatachi Afrifa Wansamiri. I want to ask the board of Asante Kotoko, especially Dr. Kwame Chey, the board chairman, the chief of staff of Mensia, if they have been monitoring Light FM sports of late. It's always sheer insults on the management of Asante Kotoko, especially Nanayao Amponsa. A friend called me yesterday night to monitor them, and oh my God, Nanayao Amponsa was insulted so much to the extent that his numerous debtors are always at the sports hotel to demand their cash from him. God. So that's that. Is it true? No, but I'm
say, question say.
Osi, please anchor me on. And I said, my kind, time no 11:22.
No, so
I want to ask the board of Asante Kotoko, especially the committee, the board chairman, the chief of staff of Mensia, if they've been monitoring Light FM sports of late. It's always sheer insults on the management of Asante Kotoko, especially Nanayo Amponsa. A friend called me yesterday night to monitor them, and oh my God, Nanayo Amponsa was insulted so much to the extent that his numerous debtors are always at the sports hotel to demand their cash from him. Just say, already go break. Oh, and I'm chasing a bit of music. No more dinner time. No, easy. Okay, no. Yeah. Osi, I mean, say be account because as someone now can or catch there. No, na apart from say mean you know, or busa board no, okay, any board chairman, but akwami che any mensia. Why mention because mention the day let us bring in and you know and yeah asama me na me ma comment bi ya fancy na yenko mo amodifa WhatsApp ni ade buy no na me hwe dem so mo de bre yen CCI questions amode ba ni ntika.
Good morning. Let me Ibrahim. Now my question is say last 3 weeks and I said there was so many and the new things we have other extra bobola and I didn't have a team that one young red card.
Please, I want to know if Real Madrid can qualify to the round of 16 of the Champions League. Greetings to my guy Newton and Andy Kane. I wish Frank Achi happy birthday.
Cap Dodo say na Chelsea fire na Cap Dodo say na Sevilla fire and amuka bom ni na Chelsea ni Sevilla why na ni Caps edo su che ni nia mpa mu chopa as a debate be cause enti mu yi we na no ma mpa ni sremo
ni baba Sergio ni mama chi ya mi sramu ni adwuma pa moye ma Ghana fo nyina Sergio mpa cho masim se ba ko mi pese mi bisa se Mr. Wada busa baba ashama me say has for stadium no a omosi no akosi say eduru sen masembi sa no me da asipi nyame nkamo e fremi kofi menu me kasa free buo chrome estate bye bye.
Yeah, good morning. The day is like Morata because every bossy proposal. But on person me who say since 2001 ever basic 2020 Liverpool, Chelsea, Man City, Arsenal, Man U. Person me who do about Blackburn or England one. I'm a friend be omokase too much.
Hello, Kesven TV. A friend is someone because every crime dance so Sydney West District. My question is say yeah bobo na prayer dika yellow card emu a osa ko share go no share go no run atade esa agi another yellow card a red card emu achi ne yakwa hwe no na ye offside go dia cancel go no ne yellow card no so ana red card ne be cancel ana say yen cancel. My question on
we say na question and answers na yibisa na aka yibisa say you see basta the president na board directors na pa momo no say hwam na mo presu mo sisi na hwam na sisi team no mo butim sisi ematim na course sisi
time be so e bia and came ne Newton Maria ta was on be say ho man na fi time no mo twatwa so on na ye short e was ya idi boy chi ye fili sports ne papa this is as a side na participant Mr. Monche adu ye mame then aside that person bisa say sisi ya ye nyina ye hu pefie say Liverpool and Man City are himself come here contender for the league sisi ya no nyoma enkoyi mom ma Andy ne Marijata embro na omo fan nyoma gugu ho na omo kire die ntia omo mienu e bia this is omo nye favorite na team B ebetumi afa ho abeje.
Anybody might think answer eat well then or the buy and say goalkeeper what I share you how much or can Robert Mensah or can Joka make kai Jereji you can goalkeeper because I never goalkeeper Jereji not I say but was a player Robert Mensah why
no be in danger the safety of the player na
okay did the goalkeeper in danger the safety of strikers in
the sa enimu say no
okay
because of enimu be so much kappa o say head here o say players say head here allowed.
About 3. Ronaldinho na bona
buti. Allowed to both players ni bi onuma. But say cap and kasa dey say.
What's Robert Mensah no mo share say.
Goalkeeper
dey mark one. Right, on to be in danger versus strikers.
That be unse oko out to crack kwa bia. So in case of corner bar we because okope ball ahead. So the nature no.
Oh, okay.
Players should dey own team.
All right. I feel
say player then inside ya chip ya
also ba no monitor
want to questions
oh go ni na
that ba ko say drop ball dey enti na drop ball drop ball no say bobo na say referee bo aben amra bibia nsie foul bia okay ya so the metre no and the drop ball because in favor of bia enti ka say drop ball na say dey to ama obia dey abo and dey abase say drop ball la enipa na ofo say sen ko nya sa advantage no especially ne ball referee nya ball referee be say drop ball no enipa na sen ko nya sa advantage no say o de ball na ema no no say player no go about 2 meters if free sa ball no ansa na akobasa so drop ball ya dia ye drop ball amra referee ye ball amra referee abo abia incident bia insie na just ya drop ball no. No, say assistant referee so issue
different flags.
Say the refugees here different no. Sa pepe say o ya there vividly no bia be say ona ujina ho no ntina say time be colors no very vivid. That is how it is. And it and a man yes I said the be obi ujina bonti bia be say o ka ball no and now the edge o peja flag no so be him am obi am say there is it here.
Okay.
The last one was say player the ball ye foul no fa ball the shwa ye mano e bia yellow card nenso no ade nsa ball forma eno so ye ne dey
ni na say ye reaction now be no you show a decent or decent no show by action be a referee no ne nya adwene so the metre and a player be on ma say wa bobo no enti no de nsa decent by action or word e bia na referee je foul etia obetwa wani na afi watoto nsa so yes anu manoma na referee for say wumbu no enye bu enchire bu e o park no so enti what should descent e say ma card said all don sabe show e bia na wumpe referee decision no but at times we referees na ya tuefu enye ne ma nyina na e say wo hwe because any pay eno ma bia koso ankoye ma no na afi wo sa akwakoye ni sa ti basa latest yam say will be the TV there by also will be shego na e kohwe na say abam say answer question we e wa happy prebe so will be shego na e komani o yellow card dada na e komani card no run attack na e red card e kohwe na say reverse decision is a ball na offside e say red card yensi sano red card until sanity and I do impression be last year say jama 2 days ago achi e ka send bi wa ha e fa some referees bi o say me ka say me senka o mo tape no boy anke be me de asem na achi ka say me Ghana football obi gu no entisa man kasa and the week na me ka say man kasa okay ma me ka nyina ne say referees no kwa o see me defending ni pa ba ko pe o me ni pa fo o mo asem nyina na me ka man ka ni pa ba ko ase ena se o hwe enioma esi ye na referees no o ma hide ade baako kura wa asem esi o tachiman o mo ko obi di kofi efre o mo reporting o mo ko do hotel o mo ko die senior the most senior referee o ka mo e fourth referees kan 100 Ghana o ka se o mo ko metu aka no o mo reporting e ba obi ati so ti ase o mo bobo we dey take you hostage they take you no so we show most of the referees ni si bre answer no free park so upon the advice from security intelligence and the security phone can say na tie dia and the mo hwese mo be fro interlies bus amo masimu baby amoko and the mom to because I come dem promote ma nobody knows what will happen to them omo trust anyuma we nyina wo omo reporting
the kutamiana 5th February 2020 Alfonso Atiapa referee Techima 11 Wonders versus Inter Allies FC. Before was on the 3rd of February 2020 I was appointed to referee Wonders versus Inter Allies. On the 3rd of February 2020 in the afternoon I had a phone call from a Techima 11 Wonders team official who introduced himself as Kofi with telephone number 020-279-2487. Specifically, he wanted to know about my coming. I told him he will see me on March Day. Journey and arrival. On the 4th of February 2020, Tuesday, myself, John Nyavo, Eisen referee 1, and Desmond, my 4th referee, left Accra for Techiman about 8:30 p.m. We arrived about 3:47 a.m. Desmond, my 4th referee, informed us, myself and John, Eisen referee 1, about a hotel he knew in town. The reason being that he had stayed in Techiman for years. Upon arriving at the hotel, myself and John checked into one room at 100 Ghana cedis, and Desmond, my 4th referee, checked into one room also. After pre-match conference in the morning, our other referee 2, Isaac Entry, a colleague referee, Papala Patrick, joined us to the hotel to help us check out. In the process of paying the hotel bills at the reception, between myself and John, 50 cedis each, Desmond bagged in to say he would pay for the bills on our behalf. And being my senior colleague referee, I accepted and thanked him. We left to the stadium. Match day. The match was successful, but was marred by conduct of the home spectators who wanted to assault us. But to the swift response from the police, we were driven out to the police divisional headquarters for shelter. Our colleague referee, Saidu Dauda, Ibrahim Papala Patrick, who watched the game, managed to retrieve our bags from the dressing room and brought them to us at the police headquarters. This is the report I have. Okay. There's another one here. Departure. Upon advice from the police intelligence gathered, we were advised to join Inter-Allies bus for our own safety.
Adeɛ wei a obi aka no crazy adeɛ bi na opɛ sɛ no match na kasa okodi
Kalawe ba ko fa
referee Alfonso Atiapa and the way by in the NT ba kon mam ne bon do be ka fa ho we tie the other side so later
asemi si February boy after this particular match we di match bia bi o mama ne subsequent my o matches be say 4 as a 5 ne kan o wie ye CAF courses wako bibia wako bia wie akasa okotumika eni akore February match no say afei na for a friend say intelligence so say dem for akota case say ye ko investigation
intelligence so dem
for omo GFA omo ref meka all dem make sense and omo dey akoya ya sa for referees ni nyina no enbu ba ko pe e dey ma ni ko tumika Yama assistant referee 2 na kutumika, but 3 of them yama mo kwanya gotu. So these are the cases I remember ka anuma emza achi ebeka say na ninja dede na me kama nipa bako man kama nipa bako omo nyina case because ade a enye nra no enye ne ebeto your friend say Ali Alasa be see na yan friend biem eti se nipa no problem and they had new era abano and they are the assembly catch and you can't afford that channel emsa nya dia obi e pen say obetrasna fe obi ko fa fault ama obi dim senka ade si February and anke dey to hold advance February March April ya kan case we e fi ne kure e fo se wadi bone men si referee hu biema fine no kon baby because I quite remember abrapia time obi tro a bad commission be report for referee or say yen and you report we yen see any matches yama woni bi that is all but these are the things I about to go net the hosa many pana aye courses bia wie American kwa okotu by November 7th they say so bit names ne fanko CAF akwe na me na duma obeti na
kala omo se omo nya fresh evidence omo evidence na kire say ethical issue into me madwen say yen nyina yen push say asem no mo mpe no mo ka e mani fi ho what I say so we can come back and be talking about the same thing
yeah can am said achi miskotu mo say me say so omo yes
Achiba na ni
but this are
hey those who nyama ne kana say
they should call the case And then yeah, no matter as ni pano, wa veil ni self. Abaji for more than 3 times. Say Montreal case in Sumai. Ni anka se ni nya kwan go to.
That's okay, the friend na aba.
Okay. Say una u dia ha ma wan.
Me. Sa chini ha.
Na chini ha manen kana so ba no so maka ni.
Because we ba
no munia.
We ba no abeka no. No we so aba no abeka.
All right. Eji yentra. All right. Mamin ma use time kakra na fi.
Come on, 2 minutes in fanya we for your question be by a very my God a lot on it.
Okay.
First of all, Nana Sreboye 11 Wonders supporters chairman. Mza after train no more baby no more share e wo techiman inti mayanchi o munyina ho. Obi bisaya say what say Yusuf Chips and a agent edema Danlad na almost Kotokofo ntwa Danlad contract mu. In fact, I've delved into it and it is true that as we speak Danlad agents in the boy in Ankasa are request to say Kotoko should terminate their contract unilaterally. Omunsem nyina ne say 4 teams after Sekotoko sign Abalora no Danlad camp ne GDA Sekotoko ni plans bia edema Danlad intebeya omomanenko loan 4 teams na request here for the loan deal. Kim Faisal, Adriana Stars, Karela, Brekum Chelsea obia pe Danlad as a goalkeeper. Then they wrote to Asante Kotoko say omo peso omo conditions are club na oba beja abrante no loan e ho hu eno Kotoko bisa Chiefs and ni agency a day club na epe no so omo aba be 4 clubs depending on the conditions e bia wo boy ni nko loan team na be fa no ne tua ne salary nyina ana e be tua bi ne ade team Chiefs and ni Crawford no enya response enti enra dua Danlad or U20 camp. And to me, I say, on fan the passport, because there's an impending tournament. And to our secretariat, abeje ne contract, abeje ne passport, no, or any agent and a buy. So there and then, they wanted to meet and discuss the issues surrounding Danlad.
Mr. Your phrase is here as a Nicoto secretariat. I'm almost a catcher and say, country will be as a Danlad is not for sale.
Kamika Babi.
Almost a Diana and Kwan at Chocrata, bro, say. Ompese omo to Danlad. No so atro omo akachro omo. Say no way. Club biamfa biamfa Danlad ho. Kotoko omo ton Danlad ne ton no china. Or tra Kotoko.
That was where I was going to arrive at.
Okay, all right.
Ediana na atro officially say omo de omo pese omo ton no kra. And Danlad camp no so catch him say if Ediana wants then Kotoko can negotiate because the boy will be ready to leave. But Kotoko felt that they also have planned for the boy and that they won't sell the boy.
Okay.
But Danlad agents no so ye bent on say omo be end their brand no contract no with Asante Kotoko.
Boss, please, I've removed the L's. So send it. Abusa Penny Sami. Na my reply is my phone no the say ho nti else na how just again nam kwan so but straight na nyamwa weekend in kamodi akotra baby but too bad I know na yuka
we are be baby we are other stories him say be
okay oh message me bring how na papa di free US buy you say na kan be say mo young waduma pa o say
to papa how
why
to papa
Tony Stark Electronics. Marijata, send them watch now, but you adwuma kakra. You are 1 block so how. Yanko.
Na come who si manu na mo me your questions too.
Yeah.
Ba ko pele question na ba ko Messi.
Me count na say we need more than 7 minutes.
7. Me and me fan share Andre Pele there no. Independent booster say or stand a chance of surviving or to win. So yo modern day football no say build it team wa and penny for no say fans and say the pressure man say so